Tropical storm Imelda formed earlier today over the Bahamas, and it's still impacting the Bahamas with winds of up to 40 miles per hour, still moving slowly towards the north at 9 miles per hour. And due to the slow movement, I can see the Bahamas still being impacted for the next 24 hours as it moves north, and it will also pass the Floridian coast. We're not expecting any direct impacts, but once again, the Floridian coast could see strong rip currents and high surf. Once we get into Tuesday into Wednesday, it will be steered away from the Atlantic seaboard entirely as it turns into a Category 1 hurricane, and this is due to the close proximity with Hurricane Humberto. Now, Hurricane Humberto yesterday was a Category 5 hurricane, the second Category 5 hurricane so far this season. It weakened back into a Category 4 hurricane earlier today, and once again, it's not expected to make landfall along any body of land, so not along the island of Bermuda or along the Atlantic coast, but we could see once again indirect impact for the island of Bermuda. What it will do is it's going to influence the path of Imelda as it's going to pull Imelda away from us. Now, we still have tropical storm warnings for the Bahamas as they could see winds of up to 40 to 74 miles per hour due to the slow movement of tropical storm Imelda moving northward. But thankfully, we had a watch for the Floridian coast. Now that watch has been removed. Looking at the spaghetti models, all of the GFS spaghetti models are indicating this movement towards the east. We originally had 1 to 2 models saying that it could make landfall along South Carolina or Georgia, but now we are not seeing that anymore. And the Euro is also following this trend as well. Earlier today, half of the models was indicating a potential landfall along South Carolina. Now it's getting its act together and showing complete model agreement that the storm will then be moved away from us. And our future view graph model shows the same exact thing. Over the next couple days, moving slowly. Some of the outer bands could bring rain for the Floridian coast and the Georgia coast. But here it is, around Tuesday, it will be moved away from us, away from the Atlantic seaboard.